And every question will be posed to Rhea Chakrabarti regarding her stay at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence, regarding the period when she was with Sushant Singh Rajput, and regarding consumption of narcotic drugs, especially because this particular case by Narcotics Control Bureau focuses just on narcotics and consumption of narcotics, procurement of banned substances, peddling of banned substances, transportation of drugs, and proceeds of crime, because there have been foreign currency that has been seized from the residents of Zail Viltara and Basit Pariyar, which are being considered as proceeds of crime. The seized quantity of drug is just 56 grams from these two drug peddlers. But there has been foreign currency which has been seized and which is suspected to be proceeds of crime. And as per the NDPS Act, this is considered as an evidence, as possession of commercial quantity of drugs. Remember, the drug that has been seized is marijuana, and in Neeraj Singh's statement to Mumbai police, he had clearly hinted that Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming marijuana cigarettes. He would smoke marijuana cigarettes, and Neeraj Singh also revealed that he had rolled some cigarettes and kept it in a cigarette box, but when the actor died, he found that the cigarette box was completely empty. So all those questions will be posed to Rhea Chakrabarti. Why was she helping in procurement of drugs? Dr. Karsi Chawda's statement becomes very crucial over here. Dr. Karsi Chawda has said that he had spoken to Sushant Singh Rajput, and he had told him that smoking could be harmful to his further deteriorating health, so he should immediately stop smoking. But despite that, procurement of drugs did happen, and this procurement of drugs was happening through Rhea Chakrabarti and Shouvik Chakrabarti. Why didn't she stop Sushant from doing it? In an India Today exclusive interview, Rhea Chakrabarti had pointed out that she did try to stop, but Sushant did whatever he felt like doing. So she couldn't stop him. All these questions are to be posed. Why was she helping Sushant Singh Rajput in procurement of some drugs which were harmful in nature, which could further deteriorate his health? He was suffering from severe mental issues, and despite that, you were allowing him to procure and consume these kind of narcotic drugs, which could turn his health, which could further deteriorate his health.
Okay, Divyesh, besides all of these angles, I just want to get the latest update from you. Has the interrogation of Rhea Chakrabarti officially began? Are we getting any updates from the NCB office?
We just checked with NCB officials, and we found out that the diary entry was done.
Okay.
And Rhea was offered some water and made to sit in the conference room where she'll be questioned. She will be questioned by the Superintendent Level Officer, who's the investigating officer. He'll be joined by Deputy Director KPS Malhotra. Meanwhile, the Zonal Director Samir Wankhede and Deputy Director M.A. Jain have gone to the court to seek custody of Deepesh Sawant. And when they come back from the court hearing, they would also join the questioning. They would also join the questioning of Rhea Chakrabarti. They would also pose questions. They would also quiz Rhea Chakrabarti on several aspects related to procurement, peddling, selling, transportation of banned narcotic substances.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.